Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you, I think I can say, my new favorite rope. This rope is so great. It sews so easily and it is so stiff, making the perfect basket. Come along and let me show you how I put this together. I start out by taking the sewing machine and putting it on the zigzag stitch and then the widest length and the widest width. That seems to work the best for me. That way, when you go to sew both ropes together, they go together so much easier. You don't miss as often. Now I want to do kind of an oval basket this time. Kind of on the lines of a bread basket, although it won't be used for a bread basket. And I am going to measure this. I believe it is 2 inches, 2.5 is where I want to put it. And then I'm going to start sewing that and going around. If you have never tried to sew rope before, you really should try it. It is amazing how easily the rope will sew together. It does take a little bit to get it started, but once you get it going, it's so easy. It's a really good idea as you're working on this to just constantly fix any holes that you see. Like there's some little gaps there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill them with thread. The rope is so stiff that it was hard to get it to bend very good for me, but I am absolutely loving working with this rope. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. This would make great placemats. There's so many different things you could use this for. You could use it for a hot pad, sit your hot dish on the table. Think of the gifts you could make with this. Look how easy that sews. It just sews so easy. I want to keep measuring it. I want to get it to 7 inches in length. And it is 5 inches wide. Perfect size for the basket that I'm looking for. Once you get it to the size you want, then you just want to tilt it up and get ready to start forming your basket. It is really just that easy. I am really loving the way this basket turned out. I love how stiff it is. It could be used for so many different things. I'm trying to decide also on how I want to finish it. It would be fun to do it in a different way. I like to put tape around the rope and then cut almost all of it off. It just gives it such a nice clean look, and that way you don't have any fraying. It's kind of fun to play around with it, to try to come up with a different idea, something unique, something I haven't tried. I think what I'd like to try here is to braid it. Here I just want to take needle and thread, and I just want to put a stitch right in there. I just want to hold it down. I thought about gluing it, but stitching it seemed like a better option. I do want to put a little bit of glue underneath the braid just to hold it in place. This basket was a lot of fun to make, and I was just trying to think of some other ideas that I could do to it to change it up just a bit, and I decided I'd like to do a little decoupage. I have a bunch of fall napkins that I want to pull out and decide on which one I think will look the best. I can leave a link to the napkins that I'm going to use on this basket. I have to decide which one I want to use. I love each and every one of them. If you decide you want to use a napkin for your project, you're going to want to take the other layer off. There's 2 layers to a napkin, and this way it makes the napkin very thin. And when I put it on the basket, it almost like melts into the rope, like you can't see the napkin anymore because it is so thin. I am using homemade Mod Podge, and on my channel there is an easy way to make it. I will try to remember to leave a link to that video. Here I'm just kind of trying out different ways to do it, trying to decide what I like, which way I like it. I really love this home napkin as well, and I love the sunflowers. They just really brighten up the basket. I'm curious what you would have done, which napkin you would have picked. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments, and I read all of my comments. The car is really neat, or the truck. I really like the looks of that with all the sunflowers in the back. It's a tough decision. I do really like that one. I think that spraying it with a little bit of water just helps the Mod Podge spread a little easier. It's almost like it doesn't take quite as much. I like to go over it really good. And the nice thing about doing this type of project is when you brush it into the rope, the napkin looks like it's part of the rope. This basket has been so much fun to make. At the end of this video, I'm going to put 2 of my other videos up if you'd like to watch them. And I want to thank you so much for watching.